Hey, what's up, Snapchat? It's Tuesday here at Colorado Springs Sawmill.com. We're gonna pick up right where we left off yesterday on this. Dude, is finish off all the steel plates we need. We've got them set up over here to drill right now. While I'm in there finishing up the metalwork, Dave's out here, and we're gonna start tuning in these edges. Set this one down over here, buddy. These are the. Okay, we're gonna take a minute and cut these down to length so he can go ahead and finish out the ends. We're gonna use our chainsaw for that. He's got them marked up right here. Finish this metal work. We got to finish all these plates out. Alright, so we finally got all this hardware done. Now we just need 90 of those right there to bolt all this stuff up. Let's head on out here and see how Dave's doing on these benches. Check this out. First to see it, check this out. That's what we've been working on. Big log picnic table. What do you think? You gotta leave some comments below. Let's do a quick walk around. You can see this whole thing. It's a little tight in here. Douglas Fir, outdoor log picnic table. So now we're gonna take time to fill all these little checks with this indoor-outdoor wood glue. Alright, so we just gotta let that stuff set up and dry overnight. We'll come back and pick up right where we left off tomorrow. Thanks for watching.